Chipudi, lemon pickle, mango pickle, milk, shakarati, chips, toran, pollen, avial, kalan, ersheri, kutari, kichadi, pineapple pachadi, rice, boiled rice, Kerala rice. And this one is dal. We have sambara, rasam, sambar, പരിപ്പ് പായസം പാലട പായസം then we have papala and
Thank you.